I had a question from one of my viewers who asked, how can you stop pictures from moving in a Word document? So I thought, why don't I do a video to show you how? So I have a document here and I've inserted a couple of pictures. I'm just going to zoom out a bit so you can see all of them. But the problem is when I start to add more text and I'm editing it, my pictures move. And I don't want them to, I just want the text to move around the pictures and the pictures to be static. So what I first have to make sure is that the pictures are not in line with text. So you want to make sure that here it's not this top one, it's any text with wrapping. Okay. Now there's two ways to do this. I do it a different way, but you can click on here and fix the position on page. Okay, and then it's going to stop moving. There we go. And there you go, right? Easy. But normally what I tend to do, because I've been using this a long time before we had those little tags there. So when you click on a picture, you have your picture format. You can see, go up to the top, and in here you've got text wrapping, you've got position, and you can see fixed position on page. So there it is. And then another thing that I tend to do normally, actually I did it this morning, I right mouse click and I go into size and position. And in size and position you have the position and you have the tick box of move object with text. So you have three ways to do the same thing. This one I like because I have absolute position on the page, and when I'm designing, say, training material for some of my clients, I'm very picky. Everything has to be aligned a certain way, and it just makes it easier. I'm a process-driven person, and it makes it easier for me to generate a lot of training material in a shorter amount of time if there's a lot of consistency and rules. So this is where I go to so that everything lines up. Okay, I also can go into text wrapping here. I can change the distance, and then again size. I do like consistencies for size or percentages of screenshots, etc., which some of this you can get on the picture format. Here you've got your size, but you just have more control in that right mouse click and size and position. So as I said, three ways to do the same thing. Hopefully you'll find one of them useful. If you did, do leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. And if you have any questions for me, do put those in the comments as well. And if you like this video, found it useful, helpful, or even just a little bit interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.